In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a purchase order tracking system in Smartsheet. We'll go through a simple setup that helps you organize purchase orders, monitor their progress, and keep everything updated in one place. This is especially useful if you want better visibility into purchasing activity and a clearer way to follow orders from creation through payment. Start by opening Smartsheet and creating a new sheet that will serve as your purchase order tracker. Think of this sheet as the main record where all purchase order information will live. It's a good idea to give it a clear name so it's easy to find later, especially if your workspace contains multiple sheets and reports. Next, set up the columns you'll need to capture the most important details. Add columns for PO number, vendor, item, amount, status, due date, and payment status. These fields give you a practical structure for tracking each order. The PO number helps identify each transaction. The vendor and item columns tell you who the order is for and what was purchased, and the amount shows the financial value. The status column is helpful for tracking progress, while the due date keeps timing visible. Payment status adds another layer of control, so you can quickly see whether an order is still unpaid, in process, or completed. Once the columns are in place, begin entering your purchase order details into the sheet. Add each order as a new row and fill in the information consistently. Keeping the data clean and standardized will make everything easier to filter, review, and report on later. After your sheet has some data, create reports to track open, approved, or paid purchase orders. Reports are useful because they let you focus only on the records you need without changing the main sheet itself. For example, you can create one report for outstanding orders that still need attention and another for orders that have already been paid. To make the process more efficient, add automations for approvals or reminders. Automations can help notify the right people when action is needed or remind someone when a due date is approaching. This reduces manual follow-up and helps keep the workflow moving. If you want a higher level overview, create a dashboard for a summary view. A dashboard can bring together key metrics, important reports, and overall status in one place, which is helpful for quick check-ins or sharing progress with others. Finally, keep the sheet updated whenever a purchase order status changes. Regular updates are what make the system reliable. The more accurate your sheet is, the more useful your reports, automations, and dashboard will be.